small space becomes a large kitchen. The design brief was simple: fit enough appliances in that would service a small commercial kitchen, cater for a family of 5 that entertain a lot. A 10-seater table was a must. Make it stylish with no visible appliances and no products are to be made in China. All this into a space that is a fraction of the size of their previous home. Throw in a 3-seater couch, 2 large armchairs and a 65-inch plasma with all hi-fi modcons and toys, and the design solutions was simple. At another floor, the structural piers played a very big part in the design concept, as I had no choice but to highlight one of them on the cooktop run and make it a design feature of the space. A bulkhead was created to join the vertical element so it would tie in and shorten the tall timber joinery, preventing it from connecting with the ceiling. All the walls, including glass splashbacks, and ceilings were painted in the one shade of white to give no clear distinction of where the wall stopped and the ceiling started. A timber surround was designed to tie in the integrated fridge on the left to the pier to give the feeling it was coming through the pier, and also to frame the cooktop area. The timber surround also married the tall joinery element on the right side, near window, which is the step. The challenge here is that future access is required and we did not want any visible fixing. A vertical split baton panel was applied to the vertical panel so it was easy to remove and allow access if ever required. The final piece of the puzzle was the island unit. We have a family of 5 using this every day, and with the request for up to 12 seats it was decided, after much debate, to rotate the table and integrate it into the island unit. This did 3 things. Firstly, it removed one walkway that would have been created if it was to run north to south. Secondly, it allowed us to create an extension table that could be easily extended each weekend when the entertaining would start, and finally it drew your eye through the room upon entry, making the space appear larger. Back to the table, this needed to be bold yet understated, but in the same breath fulfilled the client's desire for a real showstopper. After much discussion, debate and sketching, the designer pitched the idea of an infrared remote control system normally used for pop-up plasma televisions in entertainment units. A 316 stainless steel frame was engineered to take the load of the marble top and house the mechanics of this system. The table will seat comfortably 8, and with the extension table extended it could easily seat 10 to 12 people the client was searching for.